Now, we will also take a closer look at the structure of an individual alveolus to understand how it is perfectly designed for its role in gas exchange. Each alveolus has a spherical or sac-like shape, forming one of the many tiny air sacs found within the lungs. This rounded shape helps increase the overall surface area available for the diffusion of gases, making the exchange process much more efficient. The wall of the alveolus is extremely thin, made up of just a single layer of flat epithelial cells. This thinness is vital because it minimizes the distance that gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide need to travel, allowing diffusion to occur rapidly between the air in the alveolus and the blood in the capillaries. The inside surface of each alveolus is covered with a thin moist lining. This moisture helps oxygen and carbon dioxide dissolve before they diffuse through the membrane, ensuring smooth and effective gas movement. Each alveolus is also surrounded by a dense network of capillaries. These are the tiny blood vessels that carry deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs and return oxygenated blood back to the heart. The walls of these capillaries are also only 1 cell thick, further reducing the diffusion distance and allowing gases to pass easily between the air and the blood. Additionally, the alveolus contains elastic fibers in its walls. These fibers make the alveolus flexible, allowing it to expand during inhalation when air enters the lungs and recoil during exhalation as air is pushed out. This elasticity helps maintain efficient ventilation and supports the continuous process of gas exchange. In this way, the alveolus is perfectly adapted, with its round shape, thin walls, moist lining, close network of capillaries, and elastic structure, to ensure that oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged quickly and effectively every time we breathe. Now, let's look at the function of one single alveolus, which plays a vital role in the entire process of gas exchange. Each alveolus is a miniature exchange unit, and its main function is to enable the diffusion of gases between the air and the blood. Oxygen from the inhaled air moves across the thin alveolar wall and enters the surrounding capillaries, where it binds to red blood cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide from the blood diffuses in the opposite direction, from the capillaries into the alveolus, so that it can be exhaled out of the body. The alveolus also helps in maintaining concentration gradients, which are essential for efficient diffusion. The continuous flow of blood through the capillaries ensures that oxygen-poor, carbon dioxide-rich blood is constantly brought to the alveoli, while oxygenated blood is carried away. This steady movement maintains a steep concentration difference between the air in the alveolus and the blood in the capillaries. At the same time, ventilation, or the process of breathing in and out, keeps the oxygen concentration high and the carbon dioxide concentration low inside the alveolus. Together, this constant airflow and blood flow make gas exchange quick and effective. Finally, the alveolus plays a direct role in supporting respiration. Its structure, with thin walls, a moist surface, and an extensive network of capillaries, ensures that gas exchange occurs rapidly enough to meet the body's metabolic needs. This means that every single alveolus contributes to providing the body with oxygen for energy production and removing carbon dioxide, maintaining a healthy and balanced respiratory process.